Hi students, welcome to the social science class. In today's class, we will see about civics first unit, understanding diversity. What is diversity? Diversity means range of different things or people. Children, we all are different from each other. Take a look around your friends. Do you see any of your friends who look similar to you? No, isn't it? Some of us are tall, some short, some fair. Some of us like to play cricket, some of us like to draw. Each of us is different from the other. This is diversity. India is a land of diversity. People speak different languages, wear different kinds of clothes, and also eat different kinds of food. Languages: Tamil Nadu people speak in Tamil language, Kerala people speak in Malayalam. They belong to different religions and celebrate different festivals. Hindu people celebrate Deepavali, Pongal, etc. Christians celebrate Christmas, Easter, and etc. Muslim people celebrate Ramzan, Bakrid, etc. People who lived in different parts of our country differ in their way of life. Some people lives mountain range, some people lives in coastal area. Coastal means near sea area. This difference make us unique as Indians. We come from different backgrounds, belong to different cultures, worship in different ways, yet we will together. This is known as diversity. Next we are going to see about diversity in India. India is a home to a civilization that is 500 years old. People from countries came to India for various reasons. They were attracted by its wealth. Some came for trade with local people and others were keen on invading its territory. So diverse races of people migrated into India by land and sea routes over time. Thus the Dravidians, Negroids, Aryans, Alpines, and Mongoloids become part of the modern Indian race. Then the people who migrated to India also moved to other parts of the country. This movement and migration of people is the reason for India's rich diversity. Now we will study the diversity in India under the following broad headings: landform and lifestyle diversity, social diversity, religious diversity, linguistic diversity, and cultural diversity. Now we are going to see about landforms and lifestyle diversity. India has various physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, seas, and various type of weather patterns. So, India is known as a subcontinent. Physical and climatic features determine the economic activities of a region. People living in the plains do agriculture. People in the coastal areas go for fishing. In mountainous regions, they rear animals. So like that, their lifestyle differ according to the climatic conditions. We are going to see about social diversity. A community is a place where people live together with a common interest or heritage. Our community is made up of peasants, laborers, artisans, parents, teachers, students, and many others. For a comfortable livelihood, communities depend on each other. Next, families and society. A family is the smallest unit of society. There are two types of families, joint families and nuclear families. Joint family, there are grandparents, parents, children, uncle, cousins, and etc. But in nuclear family, there are only parents and children. Families live in a harmonious neighborhood. Hundreds of neighborhoods collectively form a village and thousands of them group together in a city. The needs of people and the interdependence. What's the meaning interdependence? Depend on each other. Of communities for amenities. What's the meaning amenities? Useful features. Useful features such as water, food, electricity, education, housing, and so on bring us together to live in harmony. Though we are diverse in our cultural practices, we are united and interdependent socially. Next, we are going to learn about religious diversity. It's important one. Our constitution declares India to be a secular nation in which all religions are treated equal. We should give respect to all religion. The freedom of religion is our fundamental rights. There are 6 fundamental rights. This is important one. The freedom of religion. India is the birthplace of many religions and has become the home of many others. Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, and Zoroastrianism flourished in India. India is a land of festivals where people from different religions engage in many colorful celebrations in different parts of the country and coexist harmoniously. The wide variety of festivals celebrated in India is a true manifestation of its rich culture and traditions. Festivals like Pongal, Deepavali, Holi, Vijayadashami, Ayudha Puja, Navaratri, Durga Puja, Dasara, Ganesh Chaturthi, Bihu, Kumbh Mela, Onam, Miladi Nabi, Ramzan, Christmas, Buddha Purnima, Mahavira Jayanti, Guru Nanak Jayanti, and Raksha Bandhan are some of the festivals that denote the cultural diversity of India. Thank you, dear children. Stay home, stay safe.